Hello guys, welcome to QTech Studio. In this video, I will show you how to create stunning YouTube and TikTok shorts and earn maximum dollars. Just follow me step by step. First, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Let's get started. Step 1. Create a prompt in ChatGPT. Go to ChatGPT and create a prompt for your shorts video. You can type anything you want. For example, if you want to create a YouTube Shorts video about a cat, ChatGPT will provide you with the best prompt. Check the prompt, copy it as per your requirement, and move to the next step. Step 2. Generate stunning images in Leonardo AI. Go to Leonardo AI to create high-quality images. First, set the best settings. Choose the model Phoenix 1.0. Select image dimensions, then click on More and choose TikTok video size. Paste the prompt one by one and click on Generate. Leonardo AI will create amazing images. Download each one and save them on your desktop. Step 3. Create a video in Runway ML. Now, go to Runway ML to generate the video. Click on Generate Video. Select the images you downloaded. Paste the prompt again. In just a few seconds, Runway ML will generate an amazing video for you. Download each video one by one and move to the next step. Step 4. Final editing in CapCut. Now, open CapCut to finalize your video. Drag and drop your video into the editor. Click on Ratio and select the right size for shorts. Click on Audio, choose any suitable background music, and adjust its length according to your video. Once everything looks perfect, click on Export, download your video, and enjoy. Thank you for watching my video.